HE&Ds, as I've previously explained, we are really good at doing stuff. And one of the things we're really good at doing is extracting broken bolts out of LS cylinder heads, or any cylinder head for that matter. But they seem to be a lot of them in LS ones for whatever reason. We use cheap bolts. Anyhow, if you look, come in here. This bolt is broken off flush with the head. Any of you guys that have messed with a bunch of these motors have probably seen this before. It's really common. As a matter of fact, this head has another one down here, same way. But I'm going to show you how to get this out in no time flat. It's really easy. You don't need a mill. You don't need a drill. Nothing. It's really super simple. I do need some gloves though, so I don't set my hands on fire. Here are my gloves. In this case, all we're going to use, you're going to need one bolt that's larger. It'll kind of fit over top of it, like that. You need to have your wrench for that, or not bolt, nut. You're going to need your wrench for that nut ready to go, right beside it. You're going to need a welder, such as this. This is a super fancy welder that you do not need. You need anything simple. You could probably do this with a MIG. I never do, just because it's easier for me to do it like this, because I can control the heat a little bit better. You basically turn your welder up to a light, Chernobyl or something. To get started, I'm going to weld a little nipple or bump on here. Just like that. Now I'm going to try to weld that to that. Just like that. And I'm going to let it cool just a little bit. That heat's going from here into the head, and the head's expanding around that. Put that in the floor. Out she comes. Okay. If you watch enough of these videos, you'll be real good at doing stuff too. And then I won't have to do as much stuff because you'll know how to do it and won't have to bring it down here. And that's it for today.